Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we will take a look at this Whirlpool freestanding electric range. We will show you how to install a new power cord. To begin, let's get to the back of the unit. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. The tools you will need for this repair are a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and a 3/8 inch deep well socket. With the unit turned around, what we need to do is remove this bottom middle panel. It is held on by 2 Phillips screws. After you have removed these, slide down and pull out and set it aside. With the bottom panel removed, we have clear access to our terminal block. Now, new appliances do not come with a power cord, so purchase a 3 or 4 wire power cord corresponding to what you have on your wall. To start, you will have to take off these 3/8 inch bolts on the terminal block. Next, feed through your power cord. You have 3 wires. Your middle wire is always your neutral, and then install the other 2 on the sides. Reinstall the bolt nuts. Now we can reinstall our bottom cover. When reinstalling your back cover, you'll notice it does have these 4 tabs that correspond with the notches in the back. Slide them in. Once all 4 are in, push up and reinstall the 2 bottom screws. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.